I've spent weeks coding in both Cursor and Windsurf, and they're shockingly different. If you pick the wrong one, you'll hate your workflow. Stick around, because I'm breaking down the real differences that actually matter. And smash that subscribe button, this took forever to test. Quick setup. Cursor is the polished veteran. VS Code fork, $20, month, rebuilt from scratch around AI. Been the gold standard since 2024. Windsurf, the new challenger from Codium. Cheaper at $15, month, cleaner UI, agent-first design. Both use Claude Sonnet under the hood, but they feel completely different. User interface and learning curve. Windsurf wins on simplicity. It's the iPhone of AI editors, clean, intuitive, just works. The Cascade agent defaults to automatic mode. You type what you want, it handles context automatically, no manual file tagging. Cursor, Swiss Army knife, more buttons, more features, steeper learning curve. Composer mode forces you to manually select files for context. Powerful once you learn it, but overwhelming at first. For beginners, Windsurf is way easier. For power users who want control, Cursor delivers. Context handling and agent performance. This is massive. Windsurf's Cascade automatically analyzes your codebase and pulls relevant files, no tagging needed. It also writes code to disk before you approve it, meaning you see results live in your dev server immediately. Test it, iterate on it, then accept or reject. Cursor's agent mode recently added automatic context, but it requires approval before writing to disk. You don't see results until you accept. Windsurf feels faster for iterative development. Code quality and accuracy. Here's the truth, both use the same AI models, so base quality is similar. But multiple developers report Cursor tends to produce slightly higher quality code on the first try, especially for complex refactoring. Windsurf sometimes needs more iterations to get it right. However, Windsurf's Code Maps feature provides visual code structure diagrams with 10x faster context retrieval using parallel tool calls, something Cursor completely lacks. For understanding large codebases before making changes, Windsurf wins. Speed and performance. Cursor is faster for inline edits and autocomplete. Sub 100 millisecond suggestions, lightning quick. Perfect for rapid prototyping and quick fixes. Windsurf can feel slower during initial context gathering, but once it understands your project, multi-file changes happen smoothly. For solo developers who want speed, Cursor. For teams working on complex projects, Windsurf's thoroughness pays off. Workflow integration. Cursor integrates terminal AI, multi-tab autocomplete, and has better GitHub workflow integration. Windsurf's terminal integration is more intuitive, especially for running commands automatically. Cursor shows inline diffs everywhere, great for reviewing. Windsurf hides them until you click Open Diff, keeping UI cleaner. Personal preference matters here. Pricing and value. Cursor, $20, month for 500 fast premium requests. Clear, simple. Windsurf, $15, month for 500 requests but includes confusing model flow action credits. You might hit limits unexpectedly. For professional developers, $5 difference is negligible. For budget-conscious users or students, Windsurf saves money. Best use cases. Cursor excels at speed-focused solo development, VS Code familiarity, real-time code review, and developers who want maximum control. Windsurf shines for beginner-friendly AI coding, large complex code bases, team collaboration, and developers who want AI to handle context automatically. Bottom line, choose Cursor if you're already comfortable with VS Code, want the fastest inline edits, and need battle-tested reliability. Choose Windsurf if you want easier onboarding, cleaner UI, automatic context handling, and you're okay with slightly more iteration on complex tasks. For most developers in 2026, Windsurf is easier to start with, but Cursor has more raw power. Which one are you using? Drop a comment. Links to both editors in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI coding tool breakdowns. See you in the next one.